And in terms of E2, what are the main things that they need to prove in order to get an E2 visa?
There are a certain number of tests that you have to pass in order to qualify for E2. The most important one is what's called the substantiality test, which says that you have to invest at least enough money to cover all operating costs for the first full year of operation. If you do that, then it's considered substantial. So that's the first one. And that amount depends on the size and scope of your business, how many employees you project to create. So there's no magic number, there's no minimum by law, but you have to invest more than you are going to spend in the first year, and you have to make sure that you are creating jobs. So you need to project at least 2 jobs will be created in the first year. That's the first test. And the other one is called the marginality test. And what that says is if you're the only one that's benefiting from the petition, then it's considered marginal for the purposes of the visa petition, and you won't qualify. What that means is if only you and your family will be working and benefiting, that's not enough. You need to show that you will create jobs and that your business model necessitates that you create those jobs, or there's no incentive for the government to give you that visa.
Mm-hmm. And you know, I was thinking that if that has changed at all, because I remember that before, like business plans were, let's say, easier to present. They had sort of a format and it was easy, and now they became more challenging in terms of the viability of the business plan. Has that been your experience?
I'm not sure if that's the case. I would say that the business plan has become the most important document in the E2 process, especially E2s. They're also required for L1s, but what they're going to do is make sure that you meet all the legal tests like substantiality and marginality, and then the final decision is made on whether the project is really viable and whether it really will create those jobs. If the probability of success is low, then the chances of getting approved are low. So the most important document becomes that 5-year business plan with projections for growth, income, revenue, and most importantly, the creation of new US jobs.